This is a 1970 Grand Coupe Barracuda. It's a B7 blue and 383 motor. Found out it was a little rarer than we thought it was, but I bought it in November of 1969, right after I got out of the Marine Corps.
Hey guys, I'm Kendra Sommer, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of the automotive content that we post weekly.
So when I came home, I bought this car, and it was kind of a thing for all the men who never came back from the war. It was a different time then, and people just did not understand. Not that we wanted to go to war, but you do what you have to do. And we got on the plane. People were a little, just didn't want to be around anyone in a service uniform. It was hurtful, yes. I was lucky, I guess. I sat there by myself for a while, and the stewardess come up and asked me if, said the captain would like you to join him in the cockpit. And I thought, oh no, what are they going to do? Throw me off the plane? Well, we were in flight already. Up there, it was quite an experience for me, really. I remember to this day, and we had a long talk, and he kind of explained how people felt now, and it made me feel a little better, but I will never forget that day flying into Chicago Airport at night and focusing on a little dot he said to keep your eyes on. And as we came up to it, it just spread wide open, and there it was. That was the runway. But it was really something that stuck in my mind. And so when I came home, I bought this car, and it reminded me, it was kind of a thing for all the men who never came back from the war and bought the car of their dreams. So this is what it is for me.
How special. I mean,
well, it's one of the things everybody talked about. When I get home, I've got my girlfriend, I want to buy a car. A lot of them didn't get a chance to do that. I was a very lucky person. And so this is my car. It's a car of my dreams, and I've had it ever since. Well, it is. We didn't realize it was a rare car when we bought it. It's a Grand Coupe, and nobody wanted a Grand Coupe. It's more of the luxury model of it. And when I got home out of the Marine Corps, I wanted all the luxury of home. I was tired of being on the ground in the dirt, and I wanted air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. I wanted all this stuff. So that's why I bought what I did.
I love that.
Yeah. It's a B7 blue, and that wasn't a popular color then. So now it is.
Is it pretty much stock?
It's all stock. It's all, the upholstery's all original. The body is all original. It's been repainted. The paint was flaking off of it, so we repainted it.
The same color?
Same color. Everything's original on it, yeah.
And how do you feel when you drive it? I mean,
like a kid again. That was the whole idea of doing it, is to be a kid again. And it's only got 26,000 miles on it, so it's not been driven a lot.
Okay, so what do we have under the hood here?
That's a 383 shaker hood, power steering, power brakes. It's fairly original except for the shaker hood. We had to put that on there, and they didn't offer it when I bought the car because of the air conditioning. Since then, they've made some adaptations so you can have it, so that's what I did.
And then, this is your wife over here?
Yes, she's the one that actually pushed me to restore it.
Really?
It had sat around for years and years. She said, you need to get this thing out and drive it and work on it, and I'd been working on it for 2 or 3 years, and that inspired me. We kind of got it going, and we've met incredible people all over the United States and had the opportunities to show it at a lot of different venues, so it's been well worth the effort, I can say that.
Do you drive it on Veterans Day?
Yes, we actually at one time, first time I had it out, we took it through the VA on a little parade, and I had a Marine Corps flag hanging out of it. And some old veterans got up out of the veterans, it's new housing out there, but they're allowed to go outside. And one of them in a wheelchair stood up and yelled, "Hoorah," which is Marine Corps. And that just chills. This was my dream right here. Dream came true.
All right, cruisers, I'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.